Hello guys, volume day trader. Welcome on another market commentary. Today we're gonna start and analyze Coterra Energy Inc. CTRA. This is a ticker, the stock quoted on New York Stock Exchange. We have 1st May 2023, so already the last session on Friday was the last session in April. So we also can see how the monthly candle got close. So let's go for monthly chart. Monthly, and see how the candlestick looks like. Especially, and remember this, if there is the last session of the month, some traders want to just draw the monthly candle, and also the monthly close can give us some ideas for a next month. If the candle is strong or the candle is weak, and compared to the left side of the chart, we can have some ideas regarding the trades. And why I choose this stock for today analysis. The first is that there is some good volume action behind it, and also some good patterns which may lead us to some kind of the accumulation, and hopefully that is what I just guess. That stock has a big chance for the breakout and for higher prices. So right now what we see a monthly chart. So going back to a few years ago, so we can see some patterns here, like it looks like the accumulation. So accumulation distribution works on each time frame. Of course, very rare we are going for monthly. We most often go for weekly and daily charts, but those pattern works really good on each time frame. But I would like to, as I mentioned on the beginning, I would like to see the monthly candle. The body of the candle is quite, I would say it quite short, and it's not wide. After, look at this, if we also have the very thin body here, so the next month is usually we can expect a huge movement. Doesn't matter it is up or downside, but usually when the body is very thin, we're supposed to expect a bigger movement, especially on the weekly and daily candlestick. So this pattern monthly, like 2021, we see here the accumulation break to the upside, and here looks like the correction to the top of the accumulation range. And the monthly, look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 months. And if you compare the closes, the close was here, the close was here, here. That candle open above this closes, and also is green, means it's like the month was bullish, and we close above this 4 last closes. So let's go deeply. Weekly. Okay, so weekly. Once again, we have accumulation here, very good accumulation, breakout, go to the range, and rally. So usually when there is accumulation, there is a move up, then a small correction, a reaccumulation, and goes up. This is what Wyckoff saw over 100 years ago, and teach us, and it's valid till and accurate till today. So this is a weekly. So let's draw a little bit on this chart and see how we can have the advantage. So we can mark the line here. Let's draw the line here. And already, if you study the accumulation or distribution process, usually one of the pattern when the market is gonna change the behavior is that market is going, let's say if it's a down move behind us, so the market is doing shortening of the trough, means that it's the low, that low, and that low, and that low is shorten, shorten, and shorten. So it means that the pressure of sellers is decreasing, or the sellers has less and less power. And something interesting happened here. Market already marked the range. Here is the upper channel and down line of the channel. And since few weeks, market tried to break out from 25, 26 level to the upside. So we have accumulation once again. Accumulation here, move up, correction. Most probably this is a correction. We also need to see the volume. And so let's mention few patterns. So one of the pattern is a volume, okay? And we have a huge volume here. Market tried to goes down but couldn't. Market finally goes down to almost 22. And we have a very huge volume here, which is not typical. So this is absolutely the highest number of shares traded on this candle few weeks ago, since we start going down, and the market close above this low and start new weeks traded higher, 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 and higher. And last week we closed like this. We are still before opening a new session. So let's go farther. Let's go for daily. So that one looks like the stopping volume, and the prices goes back to the range, and are, I would say this chart is quite wealthy. And let's see what's happening here. Where is this volume? So we have the drawings from the previous chart. We see shortening of the trough, means the low from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here is decreasing, means once again the sellers seems like they are losing the power. So where is the upper channel? I would draw the line here. And that was the red session, the red candle. So the price starts here. After this fakey breakdown on the daily chart, that candle break fakely, come back to the range, and here is a bullish engulfing. So that's a really nice pattern, bullish engulfing. And just a second. Once again, I need to delete it here. Bullish engulfing. Okay, and the next day, sellers step in one more time, try to sell a lot of stocks, but they couldn't even manage to go below this line. So seems like the big buyers step in again, and this is a spring formation. The spring formation was tested, and market goes to the upside. And in this area, what I expected, that market is getting stronger and stronger. Try to break up, but still there is no enough power. But looks really, really good. And once the market will break here, it looks like we have a confirmation, and the potential target for this is around $30.50 or 31. So we can see this pattern. Have a look, and let's see that the previous peaks here. So around 31.50, I think it's very, very possible. That would be the target for those who just want to take a little bit more risk. They don't wait for the confirmation. The pattern right now looks also good in my opinion. It's not any recommendation to buy or signal to buy, but just want to know what I'm thinking about this chart. And this volume is not still enough. Let's go for the wave volume. So you can see the last few weeks was extremely high regarding the trading volume. So this is the highest number traded, the strongest wave trading here. So a lot of shares was bought on this movement. Let's go for the daily chart, and then let's go a little bit deeper. So you see the big wave here, but this wave couldn't manage to make a new low. Here is another wave, but very small number of traded shares. And look, here the market price tried to goes down, but also the volume went down. And once we break fakely this level on this wave, the volume start rising again. So this is absolutely a good pattern. And in my opinion, here is the spring formation, and soon we're supposed to see the breakout. So that is the scenario I am waiting for. And also everybody's supposed to check the financials, but those who are doing that's the maybe something what you cannot agree with me, but that's why I'm analyzing the volume, because there are so many much more guys who are very well informed what is gonna do with these shares, or they manipulate these shares to the upside. So watching such price behave and volume behave, I think that this equity has a big chance to go to the upside, and seems like the accumulation phase. Same it was with the on my channel. You can check volume trading accumulation process. That's the stock that should go up. It is about another stock which had before similar pattern, and finally after during the month they make a breakout and they did 20% to the upside. So let's see, and let's watch this equity. Let's also have a look on our Wyckoff Wave Trend Indicator, and this is the indicator on the right side. So right now, if we see such accumulation here, according to what we find out here, and once we get the confirmation, or we are very close to make the decision, let's say to buy it, and the volume is really high on this high area, high of the range, we also got the confirmation on the Wyckoff Wave Trend Indicator. Already a few days ago, indicator changed the color here, and like 2 weeks ago. And right now we have the signal. So once it's break, it depends, of course, at the strategy. It depends at how the market will open with the new session. But once again, we see a bullish action here. That would be for us buying a signal. So the confirmation is also, we use the Wyckoff Wave Trend Indicator as a confirmation of accumulation or distribution. If we see the distribution and the color is changed for the red one, so we're supposed to put the stop somewhere high on the last higher green candle. It depends, of course, on the situation, but we explain everything on our courses, and also daily market analysis how to use these indicators. So right now, this Coterra Energy Inc, ticker CTRA, is ready right now to change the direction. And thank you very much for today market commentary.